Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. Microsoft have announced that Windows 11 will start to become available on October 5th. On this day, the free upgrade to Windows 11 will begin rolling out to eligible Windows 10 PCs. Eligible means that you have a licensed Windows 10 installed on your computer and your computer satisfies the system requirements of Windows 11. I have done a video regarding the system requirements of Windows 11 and I will put the link on the description below. Some of the highlights of this release, according to Microsoft, are: the new design and sounds are modern, fresh, clean and beautiful, bringing you a sense of calm and ease. Chat from Microsoft Teams integrated into the taskbar provides a faster way to connect to the people you care about. Windows 11 delivers the best Windows ever for gaming. Windows 11 comes with a new Microsoft Store. Windows 11 is the most inclusively designed version of Windows, with new accessibility improvements that were built for and by people with disabilities. Windows 11 is optimized for speed, efficiency, and improved experiences with Touch Digital Pen and voice input, etc, etc. So these are some of the features that will be implemented and introduced on Windows 11, which will be released officially on 5th October. So we have to wait another month till we have Windows 11 in our computers, and let's hope that this version of Windows will be really good and really useful for all of us. Thanks a lot for watching and please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.